Now let's take a closer look at a few of our most popular clip styles in actual install situations. To do a standard installation really requires 3 hands, something most installers don't have and wastes a lot of time. And then after all that effort, you'd occasionally find that the line didn't work because it had been damaged during the install process. So, more wasted time and material. But now with Easy Cable standard clips, you simply assess the job, install the clips, then drop the cable in and shut the clips as you go. And you can easily do it with only 2 hands. Plus, there's no cable damage from staples or a hammer, so your line works the first time. That's it. Fast, easy, and clean. But what happens if you need to make changes? Simple. Easy cable clips can be opened and reclosed, making line modifications a snap. Let's take a look at this backboard, for example. This is a typical install. And when you need to add lines or make other changes, you have to unscrew and cut cable ties, then retie and reattach. With Easy Cable clips, you simply open, make your changes, and then reclose, saving time and material. It's quick, easy, and it even looks good when you're finished. And for those install situations where high winds or continual vibrations might cause your cable, tubing, or wiring to work loose, we offer the Easy Cable Locking Clip. This clip, with its unique locking ability, provides extra security to hold cables in many applications, including satellite, cellular phone installations, fiber optics, and communications towers, as well as securing wiring and tubing in boats, cars, and motorhomes. A common install problem is running a line on siding. You can't use nails or screws because they void the homeowner's siding warranty, something guaranteed to upset the customer. So what do? You use Easy Cable siding clips, which simply snap into place in the siding joint for an easy, neat, secure installation. And depending upon the type of siding, you may or may not need to close the clip. But what about changes? As you'd expect from Easy Cable clips, they're simple. Although the siding clips do fit snugly and securely, they can be removed and reused as many times as necessary, and all without damaging the customer's siding. So what was a difficult installation is now a fast, simple one with Easy Cable siding clips. The toughest installations involve running a line on stucco. Typically, you've got to drill a hole, slide in a plastic insert, and then use a screw and a clip to attach your line. And while you're tightening the screw, it's very easy to strip out the pilot hole, and then you've got to start over. And even when all goes well with your initial install, it usually doesn't take long for the plastic insert to work loose, so the whole assembly pops out of the wall. Now you have a repair call for which you can't charge the customer. Basically, more wasted time and money. Your solution is the unique stainless steel shark tooth anchor, the new anchor clip that really works and is easy to use. For a clean, professional install, you simply drill a 1/4 inch diameter hole to a depth of 1 inch. Place the anchor clip around your cable, squeeze the tips together, and push into the hole. Tap lightly and you're done. That's it. That's all it takes to run your line securely on stucco. And this same anchor works well on other difficult surfaces like block, brick, concrete, and mortar joints. Just how does the shark tooth anchor work? Simple. It bites and doesn't let go. That's why the shark tooth anchor also works well for callback repairs. Simply substitute the shark tooth anchor for the existing anchor assembly and secure that line permanently, or at least until you need to make modifications. And with the shark tooth anchor, changes are easy. Use your needle nose pliers to grasp the anchor between your line and the surface, push the prongs of the anchor together, and gently pull the anchor out. Then make your line modifications, reinstall the anchor, and you're done. Fast, simple, professional.
Well, I've been in the communication business for well over 20 years, and I've put up a lot of wire in that time. And it's never been easier than right now using the easy cable clips, particularly the Shark's tooth. What I like about it is it saves a lot of time, and even more important than that, when I'm done, the finished product is just tremendous. The customers really appreciate the neat, tidy appearance of that work. And like I say, it does save a lot of time as well.
Now that you've seen how easy it is to install cable, tubing, and wiring quickly, efficiently, and professionally, why would you use anything other than easy cable clips? The answer is that you wouldn't. So let easy cable clips start saving you time and money on all of your installations. Contact us now for samples and pricing information.